500 repetitions every day, film application, film peeling. Are labor costs truly unavoidable? Sublistar Express Intelligent Automated DTF Heat Press Carousel, solving this challenge that plagues countless businesses. Fully automated DTF heat press printing machine precisely handles products seamlessly from printing to film peeling, all in one go. Past automation was only half automated. One printing machine plus 3 workers equals incalculable daily costs. Now with Sublistar Express, just one upgrade transforms semi-auto into true intelligence. Automatic film suction and release, precision positioning eliminates human error. Auto heat press, precision temperature and pressure control for consistent transfer quality. Auto film peeling, achieves simultaneous high-speed peeling for ultra-efficient removal. Auto repressing and finished product collection, hands-free operation, ready to pack. Moreover, compared to traditional machines, our heat press machine achieves faster and more stable film peeling. The upgraded device can even peel 2 to 3 films simultaneously from multiple angles. Produce thousands in 30 minutes, 500% efficiency boost, delivering orders at unmatched speed. Innovate for the future. Sublistar Express, efficiency redefined.